Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a topic you've probably heard a lot about but might not fully understand. Bitcoin. The king of cryptocurrencies, what is it? How does it work? And why is it so popular? Let's break it down in just 3 minutes. Asterisk, first off, Bitcoin is a digital currency. No coins, no bills, it exists entirely online. It was created in 2009 by someone, or a group, going by the name Satoshi Nakamoto. And who's Satoshi? Well, that's still a mystery no one really knows. What makes Bitcoin special is that it's decentralized. No banks, governments, or institutions control it. Instead, it runs on something called blockchain, a super secure, transparent digital ledger. Picture a notebook where every transaction is recorded, and that notebook is updated across millions of computers worldwide. No one can tamper with it. It's that secure. Asterisk. So, how does Bitcoin actually work? Let's say you want to send Bitcoin to a friend. That transaction gets recorded on the blockchain, and thousands of computers around the world verify it. This verification happens through a process called mining. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex math problems to confirm transactions, and they earn a small reward for their efforts. Another cool thing about Bitcoin? There's a limited supply. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist, which makes it kind of like digital gold. The scarcer it is, the more valuable it can become. Asterisk. So, why is Bitcoin such a big deal? For one, its decentralized nature gives people a sense of freedom, no middleman calling the shots. Plus, it's fast and cheap for international transfers. Say goodbye to hefty bank fees. But of course, there are risks. Bitcoin's value can be a roller coaster, soaring one day and dipping the next. So, always do your homework before jumping in. Asterisk. And there you have it, folks, a quick rundown on what Bitcoin is and how it works. The crypto world is exciting, but can feel a bit overwhelming, so keep learning to stay ahead. What do you think about Bitcoin? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Catch you in the next video. Take care.